We're gonna make some monster cookies. If you can't tell, there's a lot of ingredients here. Trying to get this set so it stays still. So this here is our list of ingredients. I'll start out with a half cup of sugar. Next we're going to do half a cup of brown sugar. So it says to use rolled oats, but we just have some quick oats. We don't have any rolled oats at the house. So to use 3/4 of a cup. There's a lot of variations. This isn't going to be dead on. So there's a half cup. That'll make about 3/4 of a cup. So I have a whole cup of flour here. A half teaspoon of baking soda. Plus the 3/4 cup of chocolate chips or butterscotch. So I'm going to use a little bit of both. Oh, this is a 1 cup, but like I said earlier, there's a lot of variations to it. People put different amounts. I'm dumping that in there with the dry ingredients. Then we need to stir this up, all the dry ingredients. We have half a cup of peanut butter. We got half a cup of softened butter. Calls for 1 egg. Mix eggs up before I throw them in the batter. That way you don't have a big clump of just the yolk. We have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So now we just have to mix all this in. It really has a little bit of everything in there. I think that's why it's called a monster cookie. We're trying to get it where it's all mixed, where there's not any powder left here. And these are supposed to work really good for freezing. So after you cook them, you can make plenty extra and freeze them for later. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and make these up. They'll cook about 10 minutes and we'll throw the M&Ms on top of them. And there we have it. Throw it in the oven. Alright, we've got it in for 350 degrees for 12 minutes now. Look at them big cookies. Throw some M&Ms. You're supposed to kind of push them down into it while they're still hot. There we have the cookies with M&Ms all over them. You can make some kind of patterns or smiley faces or something like that one. Decorate them for different colors for holidays.